Hey everybody, we get to talk about sex. How fun is that? I'm super excited to share with you our campaign. It's our SEXtraordinary Marriages Billboard campaign to restore some light and positive affirmation to sex, especially the way God intended it. I'm a marriage counselor and a certified sex therapist, so I'm passionate, pun intended, about strengthening marriages intimately. And what we really need is to change the air surrounding sexuality, the good, godly, healthy marital sexuality, and to remove some of the squeamishness and the taboo that so often surrounds it. So, if you like sex or know anyone else that likes sex and want to help promote sex the way God intended it, then please donate today, whatever you can, and share it with your friends, especially your rich friends. We can change the air surrounding sexuality and restore some light and affirmation to it, especially so that we can help strengthen marriages intimately. So donate today and share it with your friends, and let's change some things here. Thank you.